So you're a guitarist in your early stages. You've learned a couple of chords, a scale or two, and perhaps even a riff or two. But how are your improvisation skills? Because normally when I ask this to students or guitarists, the response is something like this. And no wonder, it's quite a tricky skill. But in my new series of videos, I'm going to help you, the guitarist from absolute beginner to maybe grade 2 level, that sort of thing, to play in a variety of styles, to improvise in a variety of styles, including pop, heavy rock, country, amongst others. And you're going to find this particularly useful if you're studying the Trinity Rock and Pop syllabus. Now, of all the syllabuses, syllabi? Anyway, this is the best one that I've found in terms of the improvisational element. It really helps you to develop your own sound in this variety of styles. I'm going to give you hacks, ideas and tricks that you can take into the rehearsal room, the studio or the exam room, whichever you like, and it's going to work with this four-pronged approach. 2 types of rhythm playing, strumming ideas, riff ideas, 2 types of lead playing, coming up with melodies and coming up with solo ideas which are stylistically appropriate. And you'll find all that in my new series of videos on guitar improvisation. I'll see you there.